Fleet Intelligence has a fully integrated mobile app for both Apple and Android devices where you can see your assets on the map, open work orders, inspections, etc. When you select inspections, you're able to see all of the assets in your fleet that you can complete an inspection for. You can search for this asset by VIN, serial number, make, model, or type. You can scan for barcodes and filter accordingly. When you find the asset that you want to inspect, you'll be able to see all of the previously completed inspections as well as asset identifiers at the top of your screen. When a previously completed check-in is available, you can open that up and see all of the questions that were answered, identified issues, the rest of the inspection in order. You can also see all of the associated media, which can be any pictures or videos that are attached. You can also open up by toggling to the Drafts tab to see any inspections that were not pushed back to the system that may be partially completed. When you open a new inspection, a list of templates for that asset will be available, and you can easily go through and answer any of the questions with different types of grades, notes, etc. As you navigate through your inspection, you can also add media, which will include any current or previously taken photos, where you can scroll through anything that was previously committed. When you select on a photo, you're able to annotate with a number of colors, as well as text to easily identify the issue that you're pointing out. Here you can easily continue to draw, and we even have an undo button if you're bad at drawing like myself. Once this is completed, you're able to sync that back to Fleet Intelligence, and it's available for all users to be able to access, open up work orders, etc., which we'll review now. Once your inspection has been submitted, you can go back to your Fleet Intelligence site. You can actually go to the top right corner and select the inspections that are recently completed. You'll notice that all of your inspections show up with the specific grades: red, yellow, green, and blue based on the severities listed within the inspection. And when we click on it, we can see the most recently completed inspection, including the one that we just did with the operator seat-based issue. From here, we can click on the work order button to quickly open a work order to address the issue, or we can view the inspection in more detail with the hyperlink. Once you click on the hyperlink, you'll see that the person who committed this, when it was done, and all the asset information at the top. Also at the top are the identified issues. So if you have a longer inspection or short, no matter what, the identified issues that need to be addressed will come to the top. After that, you'll notice that the inspection goes through in order as it was completed. And then all of your media is at the bottom as well, including the annotations that we made. These inspection items are even noted in the asset health section. So if I open up our asset health module, we can go to specific assets with these recent inspection alerts, and we can see that when we open it up here, we can see all of the related issues, including coolant, preventative maintenance, etc., as well as the item that we noted today in our inspection. And you can easily check the box and acknowledge this alert, or create a work order to take care of it. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at fleetintelligenceglobal.com.